Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Samsung S26 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do here is check the volume levels in the settings. So once you open up the settings, what you guys want to do is simply go over to the sounds and vibration. Now click on volume, and this is what we're going to change here. We want to make sure that media volume is maxed out, and after you max it out, what you guys want to do is clean the speaker grill. So as you guys can see, we got nothing at the top, and of course we got the grill at the bottom right here. You guys can try and use a soft brush for an example to get it through. You can use a toothpick of course, but you will probably risk damaging the speaker grill, and we definitely do not want it. So what you guys want to do is simply clean it with a soft brush for an example, and after that what you guys want to do is disable Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not rerouted anywhere else. So go over to the connections, go to Bluetooth, and my Bluetooth is already turned off, but as you guys can see, whenever it's on, then it will automatically look for devices, and if you got something paired right here, then it will connect without any issues. So you want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned off, and after that what you guys want to do is restart the phone. So press the power button, the volume down button at the same time, and hold it until you see the power menu. Tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is update your software. So what you guys want to do is go over and go into the settings. We're gonna go to the settings right here, scroll all the way down until we see software update, and click check for updates. So as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest versions so you don't struggle with all the glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.